Hey guys, it's a DIY pool guy coming at you with one more maintenance tip for that pool. Today we're going to talk about cleaning our filter. As you can see, I keep two of them. I take the dirty one out and allows me to put the clean one in, get the pumps turned back on in just minutes, and then we'll sit here and just use a hose to clean it out. Now, some people use chemicals or have different ways soaking it. I find this to be the most quick, efficient way to do it. Maybe 5 minutes, very satisfying to do. You'll see it get clean from the top to bottom. Set it aside to dry until the next time we're ready to switch it out. So I'm going to put this thing in double speed, let you see the cleaning process. This is how simple it is. Cue the music. All right, that's it. Not much more than that. Don't know if you noticed that little flip technique there at the end. I actually do that because I like every time I pull a cartridge out to make sure I'm not always putting the same side down. So I'll rotate every time I put it in there, and that's because ultimately stuff does settle at the bottom. So if I switch it up, it'll just keep one side of that filter from not getting clogged. So now that it's sitting this way, I'll let it dry this way, so when I go to drop it in, it'll be dropped in this way. I'll take the next one out, clean it, flip it at the end, and that way I know each time a cartridge comes out, the opposing bottom will be in there when I replace it. So that's it, nothing more than that. Essential to keeping that beautiful clean water in your pool. So hope that helps. Put any comments down below.